And then swallow it.
Yeah. Le 4.
Une huître.
Igloo.
Oh my gosh, hi Fizz, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. Let me just tell you, today is the beginning of vacation. I'm in the car, as you guys can see. Everybody's in the car except me. We're waiting for him just now. I honestly don't know how I packed our little car with all the things that we need to carry for this vacation, but honey child, the Jamaican in me came out. If it was babe alone to pack this car, it would have never happened. Anyway, when we're going on vacation, it's always me that pack the car because it don't make sense for me to even attempt it because 90% of the thing won't even reach. Anyway, hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. By the time you guys will see this, it will be after Christmas, heading towards New Year's. So hopefully you guys have a good one. It's start of vacation. Quick things off, we're heading to my brother-in-law house right now, which we will be there for 2 days. And then we're heading to the mountains. This morning, all of us went and take our COVID test because the gathering tonight, everybody that is going to be there have to take a COVID test, you know, just to make everybody safe. It's a small gathering, but still, it's better safe than sorry. So we did our COVID test, and of course, everybody's negative, thanks be to God. And now we're in the car. I'm waiting on babe to do the final run through at home, and we will be on our way. We need to stop at a fast food and get some food, and then we'll be on our way. So enjoy the vacation vlogs that you guys will be seeing starting today. And this is Christmas Eve for us, so we'll be having a good Christmas Eve. So enjoy the vlog, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. But first, say hello to Tyler.
Wagwan!
Boy, why you so aggressive?
Get off of me, yard!
What? What did you just say?
Get off of me, yard!
What is it?
Get off of me, yard!
Get off of me, yard?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
That means go away.
You're too funny. Don't say that to Faves. Say me I left me yard.
Me I left me yard.
You know what that mean?
No.
Me I left me yard mean I'm leaving home.
Yard mean home.
Yes.
Okay, I close the volume and plug what needed to. You say you have mask or you have no mask?
We have no mask.
Okay, put down, you have space in your door?
Yes. Yes, Ty?
Yard mean
Home.
where we live.
Right. Hold on. Say hello to Sarah. Sarah. Sarah, say hello, Faith. She's in our pacifier. Anyway, guys, we are all decked out in our Christmas fits because, you know, all the French do on Christmas Eve. But let me go and close the store and we'll catch you guys along the way. Why are there so many people at McDonald's on Christmas Eve? Aren't you guys supposed to be home preparing to cook tonight?
Maybe that's why they're preparing, but they just don't cook.
Oh my god, the line is long. All I want is a drive-through to head on my way. People. Sarah, what do you want to eat? You want chicken or you want sandwich? What do you want to eat? You want sandwich or you want chicken? There's a vehicle to your left that want to pass. Look how my husband look festive. Well, everybody look festive.
The problem is that if I go here, there.
Yeah, but you have to.
No, I have
go
to
on
wait.
far way.
I have to wait. They're all moving.
You decide what you're having?
Yeah, I think I take bacon lover.
Bacon lover.
Bacon lava.
If it was Jamaica, you could easily tell them to cut it for you so you could drive and eat easily.
Bonjour. Je vais prendre un menu enfant.
D'accord.
Avec nuggets, frites la compote pour le dessert.
C'est pas vrai.
2
Écoute
ailes.
pas. Écoute pas. Non.
Oui ou non?
Non.
Ah, Ludo, elle a pas pris de risque.
C'est un catastrophe.
Elle s'est fatiguée, hein.
Elle a mis quoi?
Seb. C'est Seb.
So we're at my brother-in-law here, guys.
Ludo.
Look how cute.
J'ai-
are
Comment les verres à pied,
these.
s'il te plaît, Ludo?
J'ai fait
Can you
à
spot
la...
my
Pourquoi tu veux un verre à
name?
pied?
Pour les
Je vais
laver.
laver.
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez boire là? Parce que...
Je sais pas juste qu'est-ce que tu as.
Ah, Sarah, no. She going after the cat. She want the cat. Cat. Meow. Is the cat. She want the cat. She following the cat. The cat is over there.
Avant qu'elle l'attrape.
C'est le chat qui est parti là-bas.
Kali.
Ah, mais.
The cat go and she following the cat. Sarah.
Allez, lave. C'est là, tout est là, c'est ça?
So we're getting ready for dinner. And midnight gift opening.
Ma crevette.
You guys, I'm stripping shrimp. My favorite thing to do.
To eat shrimp or to strip?
Both. I don't mind as long as I'm eating it. I don't mind stripping it. The food starts to go on the table. Show them what I'm doing. Show them how to do it.
That's
You know they like to know.
a spoon. Spoon with like a bacon of it. Sausage. That's homemade, we're gonna say. Good. And got some little biscuits with everybody name. My name is here.
Oh, very good.
Her name is here.
Burger making. Papa making the meat. Where are you going? Come here, girl. Oh my God, she never stopped running. Honey, Sarah is coming. Tyler, who's that?
Et nous, on vous attend.
Go to him now.
On vous attend depuis tout à l'heure.
Go say hello right now.
Hello.
You give him bisou? Now.
Then give him bisou, I did punch too.
Ah, okay.
Jules, à moitié de moi.
Grandpa's here. Has arrived.
Les dents, ça sert toujours.
Tyler, slowly. Gift opening
T'as
again.
mis des noms sur tout?
T'as mis sur ton fils, hein?
Oui.
Le reste du temps.
Oui, on a emballé.
Il n'y a pas de nom sur celui-là.
Here we go again.
Pose. Pause. Je ne vais pas te demander de toucher. Tu attends. Assieds-toi.
Maman, Pokémon.
Tu es content? Toi, assieds-toi. Passe-moi ça.
Le berger. Du coup, j'achète.
You're happy, Ty? Ty?
C'est qui ça?
You're happy?
Il fait des films, c'est boxing. Il a qui?
C'est qui ça? Jules. Oui, non, mais c'est qui? C'est toi? C'est la part de papy.
On peut attaquer officiellement.
Ah ouais. Papy, t'as des actions ou comment ça se passe? T'en as pas marre de gaver nos gosses de cuillère?
Oh, c'est quoi?
En fait, t'expliques.
Ça, c'est les Kinder.
Regarde, c'est là.
Non, cadeau.
Alors, papa, tu veux peut-être lui montrer
Cadeau.
le gros?
Ah oui.
Comment il s'est fait?
Pardon, monsieur.
Ça va.
Sarah, look.
Mon père, il va être...
Sarah, Sarah, non, 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 non.
Sarah,
Oh là
tiens.
là.
Regarde maman. Regardez, Sarah.
Sarah, look, look. Here, here, here.
Voilà.
Here.
Ok.
Oh my God. See, she threw away something here.
Alors, attends.
Ça sert à rien.
Who is that? Who is that? Wow.
Pause. Tu attends que je te donne. Mais à la fin. Tu as ouvert 15 cadeaux à la minute.
Non.
Faites-moi des
C'est à moi ça?
Ça, c'est les jouets.
À mon avis, je sais pas ce que c'est une bouteille
Vous êtes allé taper dans ma cave? C'est pas Quel lui m'a mis là? Quel lui au feu? Ah, c'est quoi? Le blanc, tu l'as mis au feu? Ah oui, les deux. Bah, le rouge aussi, hein, quand on y est. Non, le rouge, il est. Ah, merci.
Oh punaise, il a acheté un Peppa Pig qui fait du bruit.
Oui, gift opening time.
Merci, Mélissa.
You're welcome, baby.
C'est tout ce qu'on va te demander ça.
Okay. I bought him that one.
C'est quoi ça?
Look at Taylor with his gift over there. He's so happy. He's been wanting that.
Tu comprends pourquoi on va pas poser ta...
Open it, Sarah.
C'est tonton et ta face, ça.
Aidez.
Tyler. Je suis en train d'ouvrir.
Attends. Wow!
La dernière, peut-être que la dernière, il y avait deux. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Tu peux.
What's that, Sarah?
Hop là.
Alléluia.
Regarde.
Ah, ça vous
Tu veux qu'on l'ouvre? Tata l'ouvre? Tiens.
Tata, open it for you.
Il est chaud, il faut pas l'ouvrir ce soir.
J'ai des promotions.
Ah, c'est facile, je peux pas l'ouvrir ce soir, il est trop chaud. De quoi?
Des promotions.
The French eating and talking non-stop.
Ah, c'est pas des
What the chef is chefing? Hamburger. Ça c'est le
Foie gras. C'est le pâté.
Le pâté. Oh my God. Pomme de terre.
Yes.
Et ça c'est pomme de terre aussi.
Ouais, c'est à purée, mais c'est pour nous, c'est pour ça.
Ah,
C'est pour ça pour nous.
c'est pas demain?
Non, pour ce soir.
Bah non.
La pétade.
Oh là là, c'est poulet.
Ouais. C'est le poulet de
The big chef. Food and more food.
Ah non, à Bordeaux, non, mais.
Alright, so on the plate you have this brown thing that looks like a cake, and which they call pâté. And
Vous voulez une
this is
panettone?
pâté. Ça c'est quoi exact?
Si vous le refilez, ce sera
Foie
plus facile.
gras. C'est quoi exact?
C'est
le mélange à quoi?
C'est le foie du canard
Ok.
et qui est cuit avec du sel, du poivre et des alcools.
Ah, mauvais, mais il est pas.
C'est vrai?
En général, c'est cognac porté.
Okay, so duck and alcohol with salt and seasoning that's processed. So you put it on top of the cake and you eat it like that without crushing it, without mashing it.
C'est la cave de Caron.
T'as mangé Papa Noël?
Et moi, j'ai la
C'est le Papa Noël. C'est le Papa Noël? C'est Santa? Santa! Santa!
Donc, elle a dit un jour.
Allez, ma princesse.
Let's try.
Oui. You guys have
Par exemple, toi.
C'est quoi comme
trying oysters for
mythe
the first
des-
time.
Les marraines d'Oléron, je crois.
Des Françaises.
Non?
Bah, les Françaises.
Attends.
Ils s'organisent.
On parle des
En dingue.
marraines, je crois.
You put the lemon on it.
Yeah, you put the lemon on it.
Le 4 mi.
And then swallow it.
Le 4.
Une huître.
Églou, 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 églou. Elle a vu que le citron. Pas de goût.
C'est tout pour huître. C'est comme le pâté, ça c'est pour la première fois, c'est bien.
Le citron. Sarah, Sarah. Donne le citron à grand-père.
You don't have any taste.
Mais alors, c'est un goût, ça a du goût? Pas de goût.
So what's the purpose of it if it don't have any taste?
It's good for the health.
C'est vrai? C'est vrai? Oh?
C'est un petit goût de iodé.
Look at your data. Look at your data. Sarah, elle veut manger. C'est le...
Eh Sarah, c'est mignon le chocolat de tata, t'as raison. Bah ouais.
Il est où?
Dans son ventre.
Regarde son ventre. C'est vrai? Non. T'es sûr?
Le cul à cul. T'avais le bidon qui était là et devant tu voyais à 3 mètres, t'avais le petit point. En plus, tu payais des taxes et machin.
Irish potato and chicken and...
C'est pas l'investissement, hein, c'est qu'il y avait. Qui était sur la vue sur l'arrière du mobilier
À la
Il
française.
se retient, hein. Rouge.
The French. There's no table without
Ça va mamie? T'as l'air KO.
Non, non, ça va bien.
Look who's in control of the cheese. That's me. You guys, look how big head just break my reindeer horn. I'm so mad.
C'est plus Ricard. C'est pas Picard, c'est plus Ricard. Ah, c'est beau.
Non, c'est Manon qui a fait ça.
Ah non, j'aurais pas fait ça, c'est pas du tout mon style.
Non, mais c'est pas pour ça.
Toi, c'est pas un petit plat.
Tu veux? Et tu l'as trouvé, toi, pour framboise?
You guys, this night was an entire experience. We all went to bed so late. We went to bed like about 1 o'clock. We had the best time, and I'm just rolling out to end the vlog real quick. Everybody is so tired, so hope you guys enjoy Christmas Eve vlog, and give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you tomorrow in Christmas Day's vlog. Bye guys.